Hi and welcome. This is going to be my introduction quick video to introduce you guys to me. This is going to be a new channel that we are going to be doing on YouTube. I am new to social media, so bear with me. I'm new to filming and talking to myself in a room, as well as learning about lighting and cameras and all that. So you'll be seeing me in different places in my home, getting used to filming with my glasses, without my glasses, the glare, the no glare, daylight, which is where we are right now, and we'll take it from there. I'm a Canadian girl who is now living in the States, so I have been introduced to and loving the boxes that we have been receiving through subscription, the Ipsy regular bag, the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, the Allure box I'm getting, as well as the BoxyCharm, BoxyLuxe, and any limited edition that BoxyCharm has to offer. I jump on that bandwagon as well. So got introduced to a lot of product lines here, like Pixie in Targets, and brands that we really didn't have access to living up in Canada. Even though I lived in the larger cities, it's just not the same. The difference of everything here is just bigger and better, and sales are crazy and more often. So I have to take a breath and pace myself a little bit better than I did at the beginning, and share some of that with you guys as well. And hopefully you guys will also, once I start learning more and more about YouTube with the comments, sharing that information with me of stuff that maybe you want me to introduce myself to. I've been enjoying YouTube a lot over the last year or so. It introduced me to a lot of new things in the States, product lines, as well as Drugstore is fantastic. Products here. I got introduced to dupes and things like that, which I never really paid attention to before, and I'm loving. So just very excited. YouTube has been a great community for me to learn, from food to shopping to exploring to the vlogs that people end up doing and walking us through stores, as well as the PR unboxings, which I think is a great luxury for us on this side, the other side of the camera. That's the person who watches these videos. The PRs are fantastic. I know some of the girls feel guilty that they're receiving it, but by them receiving it, we get access to see what's new and coming out, and seeing swatches and things that you never had access to before. So very excited about the PR hauls. I think that's an important thing in the community of beauty on YouTube, because it introduces us to a lot of things, and I got introduced to a lot of products that I tried that way. And you know, the girls that, you know, come on with no makeup and show us, you know, throughout the day, just very exciting about everything. So before this becomes too long of an intro, hopefully you will subscribe to my channel and we'll grow it together. I found out that subscribing to YouTube, no one mentions it, it's free. So subscribe. If you don't like, you know, the content after a while, you can unsubscribe. There's like no risk factor here at all. I might shock a lot of people that I didn't know that the subscription for YouTube was at no cost, simply because I started doing the subscription boxes here and everything is at a cost. So hopefully I'll learn, and as I learn, you guys will learn with me. Hopefully you'll feel some of the excitement of a newbie coming in, and a newbie at a later time in life, still enjoying everything as much as when I was, you know, in my teens and early 20s. So starting a whole new life out here in the States full time. So hopefully you guys will come on the ride with me, and we'll take it from there. So hopefully you will subscribe to the channel, give it a thumbs up if you like what I have to say, and I think there'll be a lot of content at the beginning. So hopefully I have a lot to say. I want to catch up to everybody else, and we'll take it from there. So before this becomes too long, thanks for checking in. Happy you found me, and we'll see you in future videos. Bye for now.